Hi, my name is Joseph Britis and I am the General Manager for Handyman of America. Here we're showing you a replacement condenser unit as well as an indoor coil. This unit is on its way out. Not only that, because it's got service problems, plus right now the fan is bounded, and so we're changing this unit from R22 to R410A refrigerant. There's a lot of problems with this unit. Number one, customer complains that it's not producing enough heat. Number of things we see, such as look at this, reduction in flow of the gases. There's dents all over it. It was installed cockeyed, and so with a lot of restrictions. It goes from larger pipe to a smaller one. That's what was in there before, and so we're going to take care of this. And the same thing goes with the base in here. New base is being installed so that it doesn't vibrate. Here we're installing the indoor coil. This indoor coil is going to be R410 qualified, and if you look at the old coil that we removed, you can see that, look at that, the liquid refrigerant line is twisted out of shape. Very little refrigerant passes through there. That's probably one of the main reasons why the customer is complaining of not having enough proper cooling, and so they live with this for many years because of the way it's installed. So we're going to take care of this. We're going to flush out the old refrigerant line. We're going to flush it so there's no traces of R22. We're going to seal everything properly so there's no air leaks. When we do a unit, we also install a TXV. What the TXV does is it increases the SEER of the condenser unit even higher. And this is the point where we do a deep vacuum of the air conditioning system. We do a triple vacuum, meaning we go down to below 500 microns to boil off any moisture, and we repeat that process 3 times by pressurizing the system to 0 and then bringing it back down to 500 microns. This way the machine will have a better chance of lasting a long time. And here we are on the second stage of our deep vacuuming process. Right now it's below 500 microns, and so we're gonna repressurize the unit again and perform another deep vacuum. And this is the third evacuation procedure. We're nearing completion. It's below 400 microns and going down, but it's starting to get dark, so we're going to begin releasing the refrigerant shortly. And finally, they have a new condenser as well as an evaporator coil, R410A. We migrated them from R22 to R410A. We make sure everything is done right, including the re-insulating it. So if you want us to install an air conditioning system for you, we'd be happy to do it. Thank you very much for watching our video.